Morning, everybody. How's it going this morning? Now, I promised everybody that I would show a surprise for everybody that I was getting. Well, I was supposed to get it today, but I got it actually last night, real late. So, anyway, without further ado, let's see what we got here. Now, it's something I've wanted for a while, and I finally found everything I wanted. (2018) Ram 1500 4-wheel drive, black on black. It's got the hemi in it. This is actually a night edition. Get on the inside here. It's got the nice leather and cloth seats. Let's go over. So the automatic lights, of course, like all the new cars. And it's got the 4-wheel drive. All the options for the 4-wheel drive. And one of the most important ones was this trailer braking system. That's what I was really looking for. I got heated seats, heated wheel, dual zone, all that good stuff. And it's even got a sunroof. Sliding back glass, power sliding. It's got the nice console that I was looking for. Yeah, this thing's got everything I was looking for. And even got power seats. Weren't high on the list, but got power seats. And I got the folding mirrors, power folding mirrors. It's got the big doors. Look how shiny it is. You can see red in it. Real nice. It doesn't have the flat folding thing, but it does have the RAM boxes, or not the RAM boxes, but the storage boxes in the floor. It's got the rear vents and the power hookup, seats, and then you pull this down. And you got the drink trays. Rudy Frost on the back window. Wasn't really keen on the 20-inch. I like 17-inch rims on a 4-wheel drive. Just so you can get more tire on it. Go around here to the back. It's got the LED tail lights and the Ram. And yeah, it's a good looking truck. It's already had the steps on it. Like I said, let's step back here. Yeah, see, it's got the big doors, which that's what I was looking for because my kids are getting bigger. So I wanted to get the full cab so they have a little more room in the back. Tell me what y'all think. I'm real happy with it. But we're gonna do some stuff. 3-inch lift kit, some 35s on 17-inch wheels, and I'll probably do front and rear bumpers and a different grill. So yeah, that's a new black Ram. Later, guys.